swimming begins!
Woo! Labubu! Subscribe! Like! Quick!
Heh, I pulled out my notebook! Today I'm going to make something fun again! If you're ready to play with lime, hit the like button and learn how to make it. Let's go! The sketch should be just enough to get a rough idea of the size and shape. So cute! I'm going to draw Labubu and friends going to the pool. Fill your notebook with tons of idea sketches. Let your friends sketch whatever they imagine and desire. Exciting macaron swimming pool. I'm going to design the letters. I'll color the letters with volume. It'll make them look even cuter. Isn't that cool? Hard to find, Labubu! Ugh! If you can't find one, wouldn't it be fun to try making your own? Have your friends make their very own Labubu too? I drew the lines with a black pen. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! I'm going to color Labubu. I'm going to put a striped swimsuit on Labubu. Heh. Little Yaya colors too. They even drew palm trees to give it that beachy feel. Oh! I'll color the tubes too. They're important for water play. Color in Labubu transformed into a mermaid too. She's holding a seashell tightly in her hand. Heh, isn't she cute? Aren't Labubu and all the friends just so adorable? What do you guys think? It's time to color Pippo. He's in charge of keeping Labubu and friends safe while they play in the water. Bravo! We'll use clear tape to keep it from getting wet. If you have a picture of a character that you want to put in the slime, tape both sides. Use scissors to cut out all of the pictures you have drawn. Focus and have fun cutting them out. Hurry up! I'm going to build a swimming pool. Apply a base coat with yellow marker. Just make it square shaped. Go off. Please apply transparent tape only to the areas where color has been applied. Fold the prepared square paper in half. Fold both sides along the center line. Fold it in half vertically to make a small square. Now hold one end and fold it into thirds. Flip it over and divide it into 3 equal parts again. Please unfold the folded paper and turn it over. Fold all 4 corners along the vertical crease line. Fold along the dotted line so that all 4 sections form small triangles. Fold along the dotted line. Now unfold both sides. Press down the edges with your fingers to ensure the bottom square shape is well defined. Oh! This is the galaxy slime. Isn't this pink slime pretty? Let's open the lid and take out the pink galaxy slime. Oh, isn't it pretty and sparkling? The more I touch it, the cooler it feels, and the better I feel. Do your friends like slime too? Fill it with slime. Let's put Labubu and friends in the pool. Wow, it's perfect! Shall we play with these cute little guys?
Labubu!
Diving begins!
Woo! Labubu! Labubu! Labubu, Labubu! Pass! Labubu! Labubu!
Labubu and friends are having a blast playing in the slime pool. If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned to see what we'll make next.
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Today's crafting theme is summer! Summer is all about playing in the water, so let's make a little pool together. Let's go! I need a pencil for sketching out the outline. I'll make you a sharpened pencil tip. I love the sound of this pencil sharpener. What about your friends? The sketch should be just enough to get a rough idea of the size and shape. Use a black pen to draw the lines. You can also draw detailed lines at this time. Kuromi and her friends are going to the pool. Make your friends your favorite characters too. Erase the pencil lines with an eraser. Coloring is a great mood booster. Imagine yourself splashing in the water and get excited about coloring. Tape the pictures you want to put in the pool to the front and back of the poo. Just make sure the tape is tight with no air bubbles. We'll paint the bottom of the pool in 2 colors. Use a white pen to create waves. Feel free to give it a wave. Friends, it's like a pool you want to dive into, right? Only tape on one colored side. Fold Fold the long side over twice to make 3 equal parts. Fold half of one side down. Unfold the other side and fold it inward. Fold the visible back part upward. When you fold and unfold it, you should see the colored side. Unfold it face up and fold the corners into a triangle. Form the 4 corners into a triangle, then fold it in half. Now we'll fold the remaining top in the same way. Fold the 4 corners into a triangle and fold it in half with the colored side facing up. Now grab the center section and slowly open it up. Now we just need to angle the ends of each corner. Did you succeed in getting your friends to follow suit? Let us know how it went in the comments. Cut out the drawings with scissors. It's slime for the pool water. I'll open it up. Doesn't the slime color look cool because it's crystal clear? Let's play with the slime for a while. I stretch it, squish it, and touch it. It's cool to the touch. It feels good. Now place your slime in the paper pool. The more you look, the prettier the colors, right? Now let's put it all in a paper box. I added 2 pictures. I'm going to simply scotch tape it to the outside of the paper pool. What do you think? Does it feel like a vacation? Let your friends draw and decorate it however they want. How did you like making a little pool in the palm of your hand? If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned to see what I make next.